Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Time. I know it's been a while since my last video, and I'm glad I'm back, and so here we go. Let's get into it. So Beats has been a pretty popular brand in the audio community for a while now, originated by Dr. Dre. And ever since they were bought by Apple not too long ago, a lot more people have been attracted towards their products. And with the rise of true wireless earbuds, with the AirPods coming out and Samsung Galaxy Buds, Beats finally introduced their first true wireless earbuds, the Powerbeats Pro. Now, these were directed more towards athletes when they came out, for how they stay adhered to your head and really stay on really well, but anybody can use them for daily use. Now, with that versatility, that comes at quite a high price tag at $250. Now, let's talk about this for a second. Beats has always been known to have high prices on their products, and at $250, you definitely can get better sounding true wireless earbuds. Like, I know Sennheiser has some that might be a little bit more expensive, but they have really good audio quality, I've heard. And Sony even has some noise canceling earbuds that you can pick up for true wireless earbuds that you can get for around $150, I think. So, part of the Beats branding has always been, you want to wear that logo. The Beats logo, that's part of what you're paying in for. It's not really the sound quality. Now, Beats has always had, bigger bass response than some other headphones directed more towards like hip hop, rap listening. But you can get earbuds with better sound quality. It's partly just, you want to have that logo, you want to have Beats. Now, if I was paying full price for these, I don't think I would pay $250 for them. If I could get like Sennheisers for a little bit more. But I did get a good deal on these, so I got them. And part of, the reason people buy Beats or Apple headphones is, they're really compatible and, just smooth to set up and pair with your iPhone, because they're made for Apple devices. And, there is value to that. And Apple users, people who use iPhone, iPads, I would say there is value to that, ease of use and compatibility with it. If you're not an Apple user, you're most likely not going to buy these if you're going to buy true wireless earbuds. I mean, I wouldn't, but I'd say there is a good value to that still. So the Powerbeats Pro, they come in 4 colors. I think they're called Moss, which is this dark greenish color that I have here. And then Ivory is more of like a creamish white color. They have black, just straight black. The Beats logo is black. And they have navy. So let's get into the box. I haven't seen these yet, and there they are. There's the case. Here, let me take it out. It's okay. It's bigger than the AirPod case. I've heard a lot of complaints about how huge it is compared to the AirPods case. A lot of people complain about that. But obviously, I mean, it's pretty big, but it's honestly not that big. Like when you have it in your hand, it's not something to it's not a super big deal not to buy the headphones for. So I don't have a problem with it at all. I kind of like it actually. Underneath you have Lightning to USB-A, it looks like. And your different earbud tips. So you have different sizes of ear tips that you can put on the earbuds. And our terms of condition, user manual, Beats sticker, all that. So features on the side of the box, it says battery up to 9 hours wireless play, 24 hours of charging case. So battery was a big thing with these. I've heard they have some of the best battery out of any earbuds. Now, the AirPods Pro have 4.5 hour wireless play. I mean, there's a difference there. You have the noise cancellation with the AirPods and not with the Beats, so there's a difference. Sweat and water resistant, so good for workouts if you're sweating. Adjustable secure fit ear hooks. The hooks on the Powerbeats you can adjust to fit your ears, go around there right. and on-ear controls for music and calls. On each earbud, it has a volume rocker on the side here. I don't know if you can see, there's a volume rocker right there, and a Beats button for control playback controls. That Beats logo actually is a button you can press. So when you open it up, you know, like the AirPods, you have this little light on the side, or the AirPods Pro or wireless charging AirPods. Oh yeah, that's another thing. These do not charge wirelessly. Like, you can't set the case on a QI charging pad like you can on the AirPods Pro, which, you know, I mean, I don't use that usually anyways. I just plug them in, so not a big thing for me. But if you really like that, then I don't know, that might be a big thing for you. When you open it up, there's a sticker that says to pair, keep earphones in case right there. So when you take them out, they look like that. I don't know if you can see. You can see the two little dots on the bottom where the charging connector goes in here. Now, it might be a little bit tricky to get used to how you put them in the case, you know. I don't know, it might be a little bit harder than the AirPods, you know, you just drop in, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. So, let me pair them here. There's a little button right there where you press to pair, like you have on the back of the AirPods case. And another thing, it does have the same chip as the AirPods Pro, I think it's Apple's H1 chip, so it does have as fast as Bluetooth technology as it does in the AirPods Pro. So I'm gonna hold down this button. Okay, there it is. And then it says connecting. So, wow, the case is at 25% because it came in the mail, but 73% battery it says on my earbuds, so I can hit done, take them out. And when you put them in, it plays a little tone to know that they're connected. And on the AirPods Pro, you do have that ear tip fit test where you can put it in and it says if it has a good seal. And if it is a good seal, it gives you more, they say it gives you more bass response and, you know, better sound. But Powerbeats Pro don't have that. So you have to kind of put in the ear tips and just, you know, feel which is the best for you. Okay, so I do have some AirPods Pro with me that I'm gonna compare with these Beats. These are my sister's, by the way, not mine. Which the AirPods Pro are the same price as the Beats, but as you know, they come with active noise canceling. So, you know, they're Beats. You know, compared to the AirPods, they do have more bass, I can tell. So, and since you have less bass with the AirPods, the highs are kind of, you know, more evident. But, you know, with the Beats, kind of like a V shape. You have less mids. I feel like they kind of boosted, like, the vocals and the bass. So, you know, I like that. That sounds good. The AirPods might have a little bit better seal, you know, on my ears. That might just be, you know, the ear tips. I haven't tried the different ones yet, and I guess these fit pretty well. But I would say overall, you know, these sound really good. $250, I don't know if that's how good sounding they are. I think the AirPods sound pretty great. Also, I don't know if they really stack up to the $250 price mark, but you know, I like the sound of the Beats because, you know, they have good, you know, deep bass. And the AirPods, you know, people have complained about falling out easily. Even with the upgraded, you know, they added the ear tips later on, people have still been saying that they don't fit that great in their ears and they stick out a little bit. On the Beats, you know, like most earbuds, they have the little canal tube thing that the ear tip fits on. But on the AirPods Pro, they made it so the ear tips go in without that, you know, the ear tips kind of fit in there around there instead of sticking onto the tube. So after wearing these like for a long time, these might be less comfortable than the AirPods due to that and the around the ear thing. But I just started using these, so I mean, after using them for a while, I might change my mind. I don't know, but I like them a lot after just first seeing them and trying them out. I think they sound great. So case comparison, here it is. You know, I mean, it is pretty big. It's about double the depth, you know, it's pretty tall, but I don't see a problem with it, you know. I mean, they're still portable, just not as portable as the AirPods. So yeah, guys, Powerbeats Pro, around $250 retail. I would say overall, probably the best workout earbud on the market. Or, I mean, they're great sounding, obviously, for daily use. But if you're really wanting to buy true wireless earbuds that are good for the price, I don't know if these are what you want to buy. Again, I got a great deal on these, and I'm super glad because I like them. But yeah, so you know, that's what I say about the Powerbeats Pro announcement. I got a Twitter account. I'll put in the description where you can find me, but go ahead and follow. I give updates on the channel, new video alerts, and stuff like that. So thanks guys for watching. See ya.